So in today's video I'm going to create this makeup look right here only using drugstore products. If you are new, do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification so you get notified every time I upload the videos. So yes, I'm using only drugstore products for creating this look, and I thought like my audience are really like almost teenager, and so they will of course not have that much budget, so they can't afford that high-end products. So today I am going to create this look using only drugstore products. So yes, without making this intro longer, let's get into the video. So let's start our base with this Pond's moisturizer. This is my like go-to moisturizer. My like go-to moisturizer. After shower I go with this. After shower I go with this moisturizer, and like for every season I use this. like अगर ज़्यादा like humid है और ज़्यादा गर्मी है तो I use like थोड़ा सा, and winter में I use like बहुत सारा लेके. But since I'm doing my makeup, I'm using little bit more as I use. For me, drugstore products is around like 1500 या 1500 के आजू बाजू हो, वो मेरे लिए drugstore products में काउंट होता है. सम ऑफ हाई एंड ब्रांड प्रोडक्ट्स आर ऑल्सो लाइक 1000 रुपीज़ के अराउंड होता है, लाइक मैक मिनी लिपस्टिक्स, स्मैश बॉक्स वाटर प्राइमर. बट आई हैवंट केप्ट एनी I haven't kept any high-end product for this video because I wanted to create a look with using only drugstore products. So yes, let's start with a primer. For primer I am using my favorite Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. Almost for all skin type this works so good. And yes, please don't skip primer in your makeup routine. It's at most necessary. Don't use primer ना. एक बार आधा फेस ना प्राइमर लगा के ट्राई करना और आधा फेस प्राइमर बिना ट्राई करना. You will see the difference. Like before I don't used to use primer. Like तब ना मेरा मेकअप इतना केकी लगता था और पता नहीं मेरी स्किन पे स्टे ही नहीं करता था. बट आफ्टर आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग प्राइमर, लाइक मैंने प्राइमर ना दो साल से यूज़ करी. उससे पहले मैं जब भी मेकअप लगाती थी आई नेवर यूज टू यूज़ प्राइमर. बट नाउ दिस इज़ माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड. फॉर फाउंडेशन आई एम गोइंग विद दिस Maybelline New York Super Stay Full Coverage 24 Hours Foundation. Like it was a tough choice between like this Maybelline, that Poreless Matte wala Maybelline, then Nykaa, but I chose this for this video. आज मेरे साथ ना मेरे बाल भी मेकअप कर रहे हैं. So for me, like first foundation and then concealer works. Like for you maybe first concealer and then foundation works. So first give it a try. आप देखो ट्राई करके कि आपकी स्किन के लिए क्या वर्क करता है. मेरी स्किन के लिए पहले फाउंडेशन एंड देन कंसीलर वर्क करता है. So see what works for your skin type. Not going for any like eyeshadow, so I will just do like this, so like वो even लगे. So the sponge I am using is also from a drugstore brand, PAC, PAC. Like this come in a set of 2, and this I am using for like quite a long time. Like गंदा भी बहुत हो गया. I need to wash it. For concealer, without any doubt, this Elegant Pro Conceal. I'm in the shade Creamy Beige. Yeah, Creamy Beige. Or as always, I will mention everything, price, my shade, and details on the screen. So make sure to check that out. And I will concealer. have bit orange undertone that will cancel out my all the dark spots I have. Like I don't have like much pigmentation and dark spots, but this will do the job. Done with my concealer. Now I am going to use this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder to set my face. I put my brush kit inside, so just a minute, I will be right back. I'm back with my brush kit and my zipper. Let's get to work now. And this pack brush to set my face. Today I'm not doing baking, but I'm just setting my face with this loose powder. Bronze my face, I am using this bronzer from L'Oreal. This is Glam Bronze by L'Oreal Paris. Good bronzer and really affordable also. Like I go with really light hand, like barely anything, because it's really pigmented, so you have to go with like really soft hand. Yes, can you see the difference? All flat and wet. I will do the more and for blush, I am using my favorite Color Bar blush. Like it's really pigmented, so you have to take care of that. Much. If you think you applied a lot of blush, so take your beauty blender and for brows, using this NYX Professional Brow Pencil. In your makeup, please make sure to do your brows, because brows and lipstick can change your look. Like this two things can change your entire look. Not going for any eyeshadow today, I am going for blue liner today, so I will just do liner. To do my eyeliner, I have to go really close to mirror, so I will do my eyebrow and I will be right back. So this eyeliner is super inexpensive, but the result this gives is so amazing. You can see my eyeliner is still wet. Light my face, I am using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter. This is like really good highlighter, and this is really affordable too. Can you see how beautiful this highlighter looks? Wait, let me show you the application. I love to just dive in this highlighter. In general also I love highlighters, so at my brow bone. To set my face, I am using this NYX Professional Matte Finish Setting Spray. shit. So for lipstick, I am using this Maybelline Creamy Matte lipstick in the shade Touch of Spice. I love this shade. Just have a look. Let me know in the comment section below how you like this look. I created this look using only drugstore product as you saw in the video. Like the video, do give a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Comment down what you want to see next on my channel. So yes, I will make sure to make the video for you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.